Hi folks, this is Max from ZenoMax.com and HTC Evo So the word around the street is that you can actually get Temp Root, which is true. I tried it and it's pretty simple to do. To do this, go download Evo 3D Temp Root.zip. I'll have links below in my video. And basically what this gives you is like one-time access to super user app. For example, well, let me walk you through. So first, you'll have to download that zip file, unzip it, connect your Evo 3D to your computer. Make sure it's a 3D, and then go to Settings and Applications, and make sure under Development USB debugging is checked on, as shown here. Right? And once you've done that, let's go to your computer. So if you unzip the Evo 3D Temp Root.zip, you'll get this file folder called Evo 3D Temp Root. And basically what we're going to do is just copy it over to the root directory of your C drive. So just take the whole thing and then put it on their C like that. Or I'll just move it. So now it's under my C directory, or whatever your root directory. This is just for easiness, and if you're on Linux or Mac, you can put it wherever, but you just gotta make sure you CD to it later. Next, what we'll do is open up a command prompt, go to start, search CMD for Windows, and you can open just a shell in Linux or Mac. I hope you can figure that out. It's pretty easy. Just Google it if you don't know. First, we're just gonna copy. First, we're gonna go over to the directory. For Linux, it's cd slash wherever you put it, the Evo 3D directory. If you put it in root, it would be Evo 3D Temp Root, like that, for Linux and Mac. But for Windows, we're going to go the opposite way. This is actually a Korean font for that, so that's why it's all funky. But we'll do cd slash Evo 3D Temp Root, like that. To go into the directory, we just unzipped. And this directory, if you want to see the contents, you do dir. That's all the files in it. And then for our commands, if you have Linux or Mac, just replace the adb part with adb-linux or adb-mac. So all the next commands we can just copy and paste over. I'll have it on my blog post. Just copy and paste over these things. We're going to copy over the free 3vo. That's actually a root exploit. But it only works once, which kind of sucks. But you can still run rooted apps, just you can't, run a bunch of them at once. And then the next one, that's the SU and the busy box. And then we're gonna chmod 777 all of these. So just copy over all these commands. This basically makes all those files executable. And then, like that. And then we're going to install superuser.apk, which is the superuser app. This is like disposable, like rooting method. It says Temp Root, but it works. I've got Wi-Fi tether to work. Just I couldn't connect any computers to it. I'm not sure it's not the root part, but something to do with the actual Wi-Fi tether. Anyway, the next part, this part you have to do just once, and the next part you have to do it every time you want to be in root, every time you reboot your phone. So just do adb shell, right? And every time you want to get the temp root on your phone, /data /local /tmp /free3vo, right? And this will basically root your phone, but you still have to fix the super user app. So we're gonna get back into shell again, and then we're gonna do, see, we got the super user there. We're gonna do /data /local /tmp /fix su.sh, and this will fix our SU so we can actually use it just once. And then you get some removed error, but that's fine. As long as you get one error, that's fine. And then we'll go back to our phone real quick. And let me show you that we have super user now. Let's zoom in for the Temp Root moment of awesomeness. What you're gonna do is basically get some kind of app. I've downloaded Wi-Fi Tether root app. You can just go Google Android Wi-Fi Tether and download the latest APK. But you can see I have super user, and I'll show you that my Wi-Fi Tether actually works, but it doesn't connect computers. But I'm not getting errors, so I'm not sure why it's not connecting. But it will start just once. If you stop it, it's gonna just force close the super user app and then it won't stop working. But as you can see, it works, and I'll show you the log that everything is working. Stopping driver, loading Wi-Fi firmware. When all that screen, tethering is working. And I can also show you on my computer real quick here. I show you right here. This is my computer here. You'll see Evo 3D right there. See? So my Wi-Fi Tether app is working. Next, what I'll show you what's wrong with this Temp Root method, because it's actually Temp Root just once. If you ever provoke the super user app again, like such as stop tethering, which uses the super user app to get permissions, you get a force close and then you'll get no more SU. Although you'll get SU in super user, still root in ADB, but that's about it. So now you get the force close error. So that's the Temp Root. It actually allows you to write to the disk and everything. Just I guess everything gets reverted the second time you run the super user app. But you can run like titanium apps. You just gotta make sure it doesn't ask for root permissions more than once. Anyway, that's how to Temp Root. For those of you have a lot of want to do something fun, you can do this. And of course, you can always use a rooting hormone too. Anyway, that's how you Temp Root it. It can be useful. It's still root, better than nothing. But I know they're working on permanent root. For those of you not familiar with rooting, I will just wait until the permanent root is here. But this can't hurt you. You can just try it for fun. Of course not. Anyway, thanks y'all, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'll have the permanent root video. It's a world of difference when you have easy to follow videos, instead of just writing. Anyway, thanks y'all. See y'all later.